Hi mga mi, susamahan niyo ako sa isang napaka-busy araw for today. Mommy duties na naman po tayo for today's video. Sa mga bago po pala sa page ko, ako po si Mommy Rain, a solo parent to 3 boys whose dad grew a pair of wings way back 2019. And this is my solo parenting journey.
Merry Christmas!
Hindi po to late upload ha, hindi lang natanggal yung mga Christmas decorations. Anyway, I'm here with my friends. We're doing a Bible study fellowship, something that we've been doing for a while now. Siguro mga 1 year na din. Actually, parang tinatamad pa ako mag-attend that day. My energy was so low at sobrang wala ako sa mood na lumabas ng bahay. Kung napapansin nyo, more than 2 weeks na akong walang mini vlogs upload. Madami akong i-edit pero sobrang wala akong energy mag-edit. Medyo hindi ganun kaganda yung takbo ng mental health ko this past few weeks. Pero sobrang bait ni Lord. Talagang hindi siya pumayag na hindi ako mag-attend ng fellowship that day. And I was really glad that I did. Parang it was really something that I really needed at that moment. Sobrang ganda nung naging reflection namin. Parang it was very timely, kumbaga. So, bali, after lunch, ay umalis na din ako. Kailangan ko kasi magpunta sa school nila Isaiah para sa car distribution. Siguro na sa mga 1 p.m. to at sobrang init, grabe. At medyo na late pa nga ako sa meeting. So, ayun nga at eto na tayo sa exciting part. Although he was doing fairly good dun sa iba niyang subjects, my 3 subjects talaga siyang medyo taglid na ever since. Anyway, I was able to talk to his subject teachers and thankfully mababait naman sila. Actually, yung isa sa mga subject teacher niya is teacher ko pa before when I was in high school. Actually, iisa lang naman yung feedback nila. Sobrang tahimik doon na isa sa school. Talagang wala silang problema when it comes to his attitude. But it was really a big factor that hindi siya ganun ka-fluent mag-Bisaya and they teach in Bisaya. Kaya yung mga subjects na hirap siya, mas lalong nagiging mahirap pa for him. So after kina-Isaiah, nagpunta naman ako sa school nila Kael kasi car distribution din nila.
This is a very stressful day.
Kakarating ko lang kasi sinalubong na ako ng isang not very good news. Such a very stressful day for me. Alam niyo yung medyo hinihingil ka pa, tas ganun yung salubong sa'yo. Ay, nako po. Parang kumota naman ako sa stress that day. Pero in fairness naman kay Kael, alam kong he was doing his best. May mga subjects ang talagang medyo hirap siya, which is normal. And he had been very honest with me. He had been telling me na, yun nga, hirap daw siya sa mga subjects na yun. Actually, sometimes he would ask for my help, but then, same naman kami ng weakness. So, ayun, hopefully, he'll do better next quarter. So, ayun lang. Thank you for watching our video. Please do us a favor and hit like, share, and follow. And of course, kita-kits sa mga vlog. Bye-bye!